All right, y'all. I'm back. Oh, keys in my pocket. Phone was dead. Camera batteries were dead, so I couldn't record. Let me get ready to break this engine down. The battery going dead fast, so I'm about done tearing this block down and try to get to the machine shop before they close today, that way I can pick it up tomorrow, probably about lunchtime. Have this thing put together by the weekend. So with that being said, this is where we're at now. Move the tubey tube. So I put it on the stand. You saw in the video earlier, or you see earlier in the video, that I took off the catch can or the breather box, the alternator bracket. Now I'm about to remove the crank on this one, and that's about it. The crank, and then I'll go down to the oil pan, or the crank bolt I should say, then the oil pan and everything on the bottom and the inside. I know some of y'all, if y'all, I know a lot of people that watch car stuff watch. Maybe I think I've seen it on Young Static's video. I think Aki also used it on the K, but they've used the 19 one, which I also have. I worked at a dealership for a few years, Honda. So I have the 19 and the 17. The 19, this big boy. And for these, the D series, you need the 17, which is the little brother of the big boy. So, same design, just skinny, and it comes in 17. I do not know the part number, guys. I am sorry. I'll try to look it up and see if I can find it. If not, it's been so long since I had this socket. I think I got it off either Snap-on truck or ordered it off a line. Can't remember, it's been so long. But makes it easier when you use these throw sockets, and it helps break that bolt loose. Let's see how dirty this thing is. Oh my goodness. But we gonna fix it right on up though. Yeah, that thing dirty. So we gonna fix it right on up. Finish taking this thing apart. I'm almost done. And then see if I can make it down to the machine shop. If not, hit it in the morning and start assembling this thing tomorrow. So get back to y'all. All right. That puppy just got back from the machine shop, looking all clean and good. So we're gonna make that with the head. So that's gonna be a nice little, quick little rebuild. Something nice to ride on, you know what I'm saying? No leaks, everything rebuilt with Honda parts, which is what's in that bag right there. So to just get this block back in so he can get his car on. He's supposed to bring me some body panel stuff too, so I can start fitting that front end together for him. So set this up real quick and be right back. Well, there you go. Block is up. I'm about to start doing some things and putting it back together and getting this thing ready. I just don't need to explain anything. I mean, I guess y'all know already. But if you don't, just leave it in the comments. I mean, because I'm doing a lot of stuff anyway, like I said. I'm just trying to get this done.
this puppy to 87.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Wait for that next video to pop up. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks.